Hi, my name is Kgotso Motlogelwa. I'm from Lepolole, and I came to audition. Well, yeah, I guess you know right now that I've came to audition. I'm gonna sing. The reason why I love singing is because I think I'm very good at singing, and it's a God-given talent to me. No grudges with anyone. So I think singing is mainly about touching people and giving people like emotions just by letting out your voice and letting them hear you sing. So that's why I love singing. And I want to go to Hollywood, IMTA, because I think there are a lot of opportunities there, and maybe I'll get a chance to like show my stuff and people will like it. I'm gonna be singing Beyonce's Deja Vu. Here goes nothing. Baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes, your smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. You know that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu.